Someone was on the nice list. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and today I'm sharing with you the bag that I got for Christmas for myself. I make videos every Wednesday and Sunday and soon to be Friday in January 2022. Please remember to hit subscribe below and ring my bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay guys, I have a fun unboxing for you. I just basically threw some makeup on. I'm in my casuals and I wanted to share with you the new bag because I just wanted to open it and I figured why not do a proper unboxing. I got a new ring light, so sorry for the past couple videos that have been a little ratchet. I just haven't had very good lighting. So my ring light broke, we have a new ring light. All right, let's just get into this. Let me share with you this beauty right here. So I ended up selling one of my bags. I finally sold my Dior Montaigne bag. Thank you for giving the advice just to let it go. I appreciate that. So I went ahead and got it. So then this bag, I was able to get a bag I've been thinking about getting, and this one is only this bag ended up costing me only $700 or $600 because I just did a trade-in on Fashionphile. Okay, let's open it up. So we have the Fashionphile stuff that comes with it. It is all wrapped up. It's gonna come with the box. This bag was in like new condition. Here's the box. I am so excited. This is something that I have mentioned that I was thinking about getting. However, the price is pretty high, but with having a trade-in, it wasn't too bad at all. Open it up, you can kind of see it. Has the Fashionphile dust bag. And here it is. Let's fix her. She got a little messed up in her travels to me. But here she is, guys. I got the new Diana bag. Let me see if I can move this here. So I got the new Lady Diana bag, and this is in the mini size, and this is in the brown leather, the bamboo handles, and it comes with everything. It came with the box, all the cards, basically the original dust bag. This is a brand new bag that I ended up getting less than retail to start with. I can't remember the original price. All I know is with my trade-in, it was under $700 with tax and shipping and everything. And I love this new design, even with this here. I'm thinking about playing around with it because I saw some videos on this bag before I made the purchase about how to keep the handles up based on how you arrange these. So you could keep them if you wanted them to stay up like this when you're doing crossbody instead of falling down. So that might be a thing, but I love wearing like this. I could be more hip with these bands here. And basically what these bands are made for is to help with the shaping of the bamboo, because the bamboo can warp and change over time. So even if you're not using these straps with the bag, they always recommend you putting these on when you're storing it just to help them maintain their shape. And I think it's after so many years, you don't have to worry about that happening, but love this, absolutely love this. And then open it up. I watched some videos on it on this size because it's the mini size, but it is a great size, guys. And it comes with a crossbody strap right here, which they have attached right on the inside. Let's put this on. Oh my goodness, this leather smells so good. I love Gucci leather. Okay, so it attaches on the inside like that. You have adjustable strap, and it has a magnetic closure, great magnetic closure, and you open it up. It is like having a tote, but when you close it, you don't have to worry about your stuff falling out. I feel like that's great security with it. And these straps are on inside the bag, so it's not prying it open. And I feel like this is gonna fit just the essentials, but even more. I feel like this is gonna be a bag that I don't necessarily have to downsize, but I really love the look of this. Love it. So let's put some stuff in it, shall we? Here's the bag I'm currently rocking. This is my Strawberry bag. I forget the exact name of it, but I'm starting to notice a pattern that I'm really starting to love. The camel colored bags. I'd rather have a brown or camel bag than a black bag because I feel like you can wear this with black. You can wear this with all different types of colors. And black for me always seems like a winter bag and fall bag, but for some reason, this camel brown tone bags feel like an all year round bag. Let me know if you feel the same way. Let's put some stuff in the bag. Let's start out with our Chanel card case. Put that in. That goes in perfectly. Our pochette. How do I want to arrange that? Again, fits in perfectly. We have our clay and our 4-ring key holder. And then we have our key fob. And we have our face mask because some places are still requiring it. So put that in there and let's see if we can get it to close. Oh my goodness. And we are closed, guys. Look at that, the shape. Like I fit a lot of stuff. I think this is a perfect size. Oh, I love this. And this, I'm sorry if I'm like, this is such a gorgeous bag. I think I'll carry it a lot of the times without this handle here. I think I like it better without the neon, like if I'm trying to be more dressed up, but I love the neon too. So I just don't know which way I'm gonna prefer to carry this bag. But look, it fit all these items in here. It has a snap closure and the snap kind of has like a piece up here so you can actually pull it better and kind of push it together like that because it has this little flap thing here, which I appreciate. Another thing I really appreciate is the fact that this has feet. I don't know why people make bags without feet. I just really appreciate this here. Okay, so let's try it on. Here it is on me. I have it on crossbody, on the shoulder, and this is one that's falling down right now, but I know there's a way to adjust it so it kind of stays up straight like that. And here it is. You can fit it in the crook of your arm still, even with these straps being right here, and top handle. But seriously, guys, this is so stinking beautiful. Okay, guys, what do you think of my new bag? Is there any bags in your collection that you're thinking about trading in for something better? This is something I really love to do, especially with Fashionphile, because they do the buyback and it lasts for about a year, I believe. I think if you get it within 6 months, you get like 75% of your money back. And within a year, you get 70% of your money back. So since I had gotten the Dior through Fashionphile, I was able to get a majority of my money back, which is really nice if you want to try out a bag. I know they're more on the expensive side. However, if you're someone that wants like a new bag every 6 months or every year, it might be something you should consider doing because you can have a new bag and then maybe when the seasons change from warm to cold, you go ahead and sell it back to Fashionphile and you get something new, something that you have been wanting to try in your wish list. But I really think this is a classic bag that I don't think I'll be trading in because you can easily just take these straps here off and it's now the classic Diana bag. So even when the neon trend isn't in anymore, you can carry the bag like this and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a classic style. I kind of love knowing that Princess Diana is named after this bag for sure. Okay, guys, that is everything. Let me know what you got for Christmas down below. Is this bag on your wish list? And have you been good this year? And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again. Bye, guys.